My name is Jared Kidman. I bought a young Subaru vehicle. It's a 2011 Subaru Impreza. I got a Subaru because it is a great vehicle. Has good gas mileage, great all-wheel drive. It's good for when you're going around, going up hills. It's a very safe and dependable, sturdy car. I got a young Subaru because the people at Young Subaru were able to bend over backwards and do everything they could to help me get the kind of car that I wanted. So, and of course, John was a very big help in getting me what I needed. So I appreciate him. I appreciate everybody here at Young Subaru. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah.